In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in to another Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. As you can see, I have already signed into my Facebook account, and to be able to log in into another one, first off we need to log out from current one. To do that, we need to go to menu, then scroll down to the bottom where we can find a logout button, and now I'm gonna tap on it and hit add logout. Here, as you can see, I have several accounts, and we can add here another one if we wish to do so. To do that, we just need to tap right here where it says log into another account, or down below here we can tap at create new one to create new account and add that account right here to that list. To continue, I'm gonna tap right here, and it offers me to enter my mobile number or email at the first text field and the password in the second one. Once you have entered that data, hit add login, and then your new account will be added right here to that list, and also you will be signed into your new account. After that, to switch to your another account, you can log from current one, and then you will be taken to the page that looks like that, where you can select any account to log in. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.